Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Shah. We're going to be talking about the crypto markets today, as well as leave a comment below saying 100x bull run. I'll be giving away one free membership to my school community where we do live one-on-ones, whether you're a beginner or an expert. We have everything from top plays, top cryptos, portfolio, our full portfolio breakdown, meme coins, sub $10 million coins, sub $1 million coins. Um, and you can check it out there. It is $99 a month to be a part of the community, but we'll be giving this one for free. So leave 100x in the comments below, and we will select someone randomly. But Bitcoin today went past 107,000, is now sitting at 103,000. We can see the fear and greed index at 80. We see Bitcoin dominance at 56.5%. Ethereum at 12.73. So that means Bitcoin is at a $2 trillion market cap, and the whole entire crypto market is at a $3.63 trillion market cap. We're still very bullish, but Bitcoin has just been ripping. As you can see, Ethereum hasn't even hit old all-time highs. I do believe Ethereum is going to have a huge leg up. It does lag behind Bitcoin, but I believe Bitcoin, with all the noise, with all the countries printing to buy Bitcoin, with BlackRock buying Bitcoin, with MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin, um, it just there doesn't really seem to be a downtrend. We've really, even if we go all the way up to 200 and fall all the way back to 60, right now where we are, I believe we're between belief and thrill. The next phase is euphoria. And when euphoria begins, we'll see a lot of retail money come in. Right now, it's institutional money and people that have been in two bull runs, three bull runs. It's not really people who haven't been a part of a bull run. Um, you'll see that closer to March, in my opinion. That's when things start to get euphoric. And then by June and July, that's when you might see a downtrend. But with crypto, as fast as it goes up, it goes down even faster. So make sure you're taking profits on the way up and the way down. If we look at Bitcoin's chart here, we'll see back in 2017, went up to 17 grand. In 2019, it was around 10 grand, 8 grand, goes all the way up to, in 2021, 59 and 60 grand. And then we have a retrace from 60 all the way down to 30. So 50% retrace before we have another leg up and get as high as 65. And then we fall again. Everyone thinks it's going to be just like this last retrace. This is where we're like, uh-oh. We're like, uh-oh, we lost almost 50% of our bag. Then, right when we think we're about to go right back up, 47. What a psychological number, 47 before it gets to 50, all the way down to 20, all the way down to 16. And Bitcoin got as low as 12. I saw it as low as 12. But even if you got at 16, and then boom, we go hit our old time support level, which I believe our support level is at 63. But don't be surprised if we come back to 41 after everything's said and done this bull run. You never know. Um, and now we're all the way past 103. So could this happen to us? Could we lose 50%? When was this? When was this? This was April. So this was December. And December right here, we went from 18 all the way to January 9th. Okay, guys. So if history is going to repeat itself right here, it's going to be right here, right? So we're at January 9th. Right now, it's December 17th. What was December 17th for them? They're right on the up and up. That makes sense to me. So I think 125K Bitcoin by Trump's inauguration isn't something that's insane. Um, this is the 20th. So we had a dip on the 20th. I don't think we're gonna have a dip on this one, you know, and it was a lot different back then. Now we have this election year with Trump, everything pro crypto, and then after that it just went up. February, mid-February went up, and March got euphoric. April, April was great too. May and June were kind of down. So we probably want to take profits in March and April, right? March and April would be a good time to take profits, maybe get some stable coins. And then boom, we went all the way from 60 back to 33 and then all the way back up to 60. Okay, so is that going to happen to us? Are we going to go to 125 and then all the way down to like 90? Are we going to go to 125 then all the way down to 105? Like what's the psychological number here? This is 31, then went back up, you know? And it's never as high as people believe. Um, but as soon as if we go past 200K Bitcoin, people are going to say we're going to a million. But these things are cyclical. So I would look at these charts. And in my opinion, we're going to have this happen here, but not in, I don't think we're going to have this dip right here, this little dip. This is a mini dip, just barely anything in the grand scheme of things. But it's this dip that you want to avoid. So that's why you want to take profits up here. Now that if March and April come and this goes even crazier, it's time to take some profits, you know? Stable coins are a huge hack. So I wanted to go over how you guys should be playing this, how you should always be using Bitcoin as an indicator. So now that we've looked at Bitcoin, we want to look at Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Dogecoin. Always great to look at Doge. Always great to look at Ethereum. The rest are also good, but those top three are great indicators because this is like the top, you know? Usually it starts with right after Bitcoin rips, Doge rips, and then all the money flows into altcoins. Then Ethereum lags behind and then has a huge rip to catch up. I think the base chain is going to help Ethereum. Solana's had a huge run. Um, so these are all very strong coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum. We've been holding XRP since 2018. Solana, BNB, it has the vertical integration with the exchange, the number one exchange. Dogecoin, Cardano has a cult-like community, you know? So it's really hard to miss when everything's euphoric, but it's very easy also to lose it all. So you want to be on top of it. You want to see what's trending. Pengu, if you guys didn't see Pengu, I probably should have started with that, but Pengu, Pudgy Penguins released their token, but they then dipped big time. It came out originally at it was as high as a 4.36 billion market cap. Now it's at a 2.67, which is pretty impressive. I don't even own a Pudgy Penguin, and I still got $100 airdrop for being an OG Ethereum wallet and an OG Phantom wallet. So if you guys haven't, definitely check out the Pengu claim. I'll leave it in the description below so you click it properly. If you were in the last bull run and you traded at all, like NFTs or in your MetaMask, you should be eligible for at least like $100. So I'll leave that in the comments below. But for they even airdropped it to the Solana wallets. They gave it to a lot of people. A lot of people got airdrop and somehow, it's at 1.88. Of course, you're going to see a huge dump, but somehow it's still above 1.5 billion after how much money they gave away is pretty impressive. but their NFTs did go from like 32 ETH to 15, which is, buy the rumor, sell the news. So XRP has been so dormant for so long. So XRP is bullish. We're at $150 billion market cap, back to the top three like it used to be. And when we look at Solana and BNB, these are always going to run. Solana was paired with AVAX during the last run. Whenever they pumped, they would pump together. But now it seems Solana and BNB will be neck and neck. And BNB likes listing Solana coins because the meme coins on Base that use Ethereum are going to Coinbase. So they kind of have a little rivalry right there. So Coinbase versus Binance. Um, it, Also, guys, if you're looking to get into the Web3 crypto space, uh, join my school community. You can ask anything in there. Like I applied to like 200, 300 Web3 crypto positions because this is the time to do it. I went through the top 100. I went to each website and I applied, whether it be marketing growth manager, whether it be business development representative, um, really whatever you believe your skill set is. And if you have a passion for Web3, this is the time to get in there, especially if you have a tech background. I worked for Informatica, number one data integration company. They had AI, big data, machine learning. I worked for Booz Allen. I've created my own AI entrepreneurs school community and my own 100x bull run school community as well. Check it out in the links below. You have to take these steps if you want to change your life. Most people aren't doing this. If you're doing this, if you're even reviewing these things, listening up to this point, you're already above 95% of people. But what I want you to see is that none of these coins have hit their old all-time high. If we look at Ethereum, which is a good indicator, you can see Ethereum's old all-time high was 4,600. Right now we're at 3,900. So this is a good indicator. People are very bullish on Ethereum too, but it hasn't performed like it's supposed to perform. And a lot of people holding a lot of ETH have ultimately moved their money to Solana. I can say a lot of my ETH went into Solana until I got really bullish on Base. Then a lot of my money went back to Base because Solana had a lot of rug pull meme coins, but it's also the casino hub. But Base is helping Ethereum stay in that race because it's easy onboarding. You get onto Coinbase, now you have Coinbase wallet, now you get a meme coin. Um, but Solana passed its old all-time highs at 250. We went to 257. So I expect this to hit a 800 to 1,000 in this bull run. But as you can see, we need Bitcoin dominance to go down. These are the top 100 coins. You can see over the last 7 days, things have been exploding. Virtual's protocol at 2.6 billion. This is AI meme agents, Aave, a lending protocol. And guys, if you have like a project, you're someone in the tech space, you want to build something. I just applied for a grant from a first layer protocol to build on it, and my proposal was a AI ticketing platform that utilizes the native cryptocurrency to one solidify and verify high risk transactions such as ticketing, um, as well as to be able to receive uh, that native token as a form of payment, as well as when your wallet's connected, if you own anything with a specific IP, we can have partnerships and collaborations that give you access and portal to exclusive VIP events. So that's something like, VIP lounge, for example. So you can do things like that. So that was a proposal I made. Hopefully we hear back. I actually think I did hear back. And you guys would be surprised. Even if you're starting a business, you can go for an SBA loan. Ask the government. You can You have to hit things when the market are hot. Like if you want to get a Web3 crypto job, this would be the time. You can go to Web3 crypto and literally uh, you can go to the top and literally click highest paying Web3 jobs. Boom. 100 to 500K. Marketing officer, Web3, data analyst, 500K. It's really not that hard, guys. Uh, Everything is remote these days. You go put your name, boom. You can see I have a bunch of resumes. Oop, can't spell resume. A bunch of resumes, boom. What's one thing I could growth marketing? How have you participated in I held it in the last bull run. Was bullish then. However, the narrative has weakened, you know? High value Google of crypto. What excites you most about DeFi Web3? My third bull run, creating generational wealth. And then you just need to add your LinkedIn. See, I applied to one on Bybit yesterday, guys. Like this is everyone wants to talk about, hey, I can make money here, I can make money there. You can make money a lot of ways. Boom. Go right here, put in the job, and boom, we've applied to this position. But let's go back to CoinMarketCap. I just wanted to show you guys what you can do. And I did that through the first 100 tokens, and I applied to probably over 300 potential positions. So that's what it's about. If you want to be in this type of industry ecosystem, those are the things you can do. But guys, I think we just went over a lot of stuff. We just showed you how to apply to crypto jobs. We just showed you where we think Bitcoin's going. We told you to stack Bitcoin right now, especially before January 20th. We told you, hey, you should probably start taking profits between March and April. You're going to have a 50% pullback somewhere in there and then another leg up. And if you can potentially, you know, if your money goes up, let's just say you built 100 grand up and you were able to go into stable coin and then it went down to 60 and then you put it back in and it went back to 100, you made a good 40% on your money just by taking profits or having a little cash reserve. It's not good to be all in on everything, even though I wouldn't advise against it right now. Everything seems very fluid and bullish. Um, so that's something to take account of. But guys, if you haven't seen my other videos on Sui or the base chain, definitely check them out. Let me know in the comments below. I hope you commented 100x bull run, um, and just leave your email or I'll reach out to you, and I will give you access there. We help you set up everything. The thing is, this was a basic uh, way of showing you the top 100. But like we teach you how to get your your MetaMask wallet. We teach you how to get your Phantom wallet. We do live one-on-ones. We help you from going on Coinbase, being able to send your tokens comfortably. If it's your first time sending money on the internet by copying and pasting an address, it can be a little intimidating. So that's what we're here to help you with, anything and everything. But also we get into some very degenerate high risk plays that just come from scalping and scanning. So if you guys haven't been using BULLX, I highly recommend you guys use BULLX for your trading. If you're getting into the more degenerate portions of the market, you can use specific filters to see what's coming out. like Age of the Token things that are made 3 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. And this is just one of many tools. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to learn, what you guys want to talk about. But I hope this gave you guys a little idea of where the market's going, because some people have no idea. What I just explained, maybe a lot of people have been through, but you have to remind yourself, because you could easily say, hey, you could easily just ignore what I said and have a 50% dip, or have 25% in stablecoin and 25% in Bitcoin. And now it looks like you're on the right path rather than a verified gambler, which is okay. It's okay to be a verified gambler when the odds are in your favor and you're in a huge bull run, but expect this number to go down, all coins to start ripping, and then you can start making your money off these memes. The Murad thesis, cult-like communities will prevail. So guys, thanks for your time. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So I'll see you next time.